The idea started during last summer, where I was going through a few cities in Europe and going to all the museums and just thinking how in Hong Kong we don't have such museums. It's a real frustration to be living in such a great city and comparable to the major capitals of the world without having a modern or classical museum like New York, London, Paris, Madrid, Tokyo have. So I thought that this would be a great educational way of bringing art, different art to Hong Kong. So art which isn't in the galleries and art which isn't in the already existing museums in Hong Kong. Monet is one of the most famous artists in the world. The Impressionist movement is one of the favorite art style of many people. For the 3D printing, not all museums accept to go through this process and democratization of art. Because by accepting to do that, the museum is basically letting the almost exact copy of the original out of its walls. There are not that many. The Van Gogh Museum does it, and then other museums do it too, but slowly but surely I think that it is a trend. Replicas is more difficult, I would say, because you want quality replicas. It's very easy to decide if it's a good replica or a bad replica. So the bad replicas, we decided not to work with these artists. The ones that had real professional painting technique that could reproduce Impressionist painting. One of our painters has done all the paintings in the Giverny house of Monet that is always on exhibit.